When it comes to personal defense, law enforcement, or recreational shooting, the 9mm has long been the go-to caliber for its balance of power, recoil, and availability. However, it's not the only option out there. Whether you're looking for more stopping power, better range, or simply want to explore other calibers for your firearm needs, several excellent alternatives can stand toe-to-toe with or even outperform the 9mm in specific scenarios. In this article, we'll explore the 5 best alternatives to the 9mm round and why they might be the right choice for your next loadout. CCI Velocitor 40-grain copper-plated hollow point. CCI is a well-known and respected name in .22 long rifle ammunition. Our recommendation is their Velocitor 40-grain copper-plated hollow point. This load is widely recognized among .22 long rifle firearm owners. CCI markets the Velocitor as a small game load with a claimed 200 feet per second velocity advantage over their standard high-velocity .22 long rifle line. The advertised velocity is 1435, though the barrel length used for this measurement isn't specified. Real-world testing often shows slightly lower velocities, around 1360 feet per second from an 18-inch rifle barrel. The performance drops further in handguns with 3-inch to 5-inch barrels. From a 4-inch barrel, the CCI Velocitor 40-grain copper-plated hollow point typically achieves around 1050 feet per second, generating a modest 98 foot-pounds of force, likely insufficient for reliable hollow point expansion. We recommend this load primarily for CCI's reputation for reliability. These rounds are known for consistent ignition. This reliability isn't always guaranteed with other .22 long rifle brands. It's also a relatively affordable option, costing around $10 for a box of 50 or 20 cents per round. Winchester 37-grain Varmint HE, introduced over a decade ago. Winchester's 37-grain Varmint HE ammo utilizes a bullet design that some initially disliked. With an advertised velocity of 1435 feet per second, this bullet is designed to segment upon impact, splitting into 3 lightweight forward fragments and a heavier rear core. This creates significant tissue damage, making it less ideal for small game hunters who intend to eat their quarry. However, for self-defense, where maximum tissue damage from a .22 long rifle bullet is desired, Winchester's Varmint, he is a strong contender. In a handgun with a 4-inch barrel, this 37-grain bullet will likely achieve around 1100 feet per second, generating approximately 99 foot-pounds of force. While these numbers might seem low, the fact that this energy is dispersed through 4 fragments within the target's center of mass is significant. Surprisingly, the 37-grain Winchester Varmint, he is one of the more affordable rimfire options, typically costing around $9 for a box of 50. This makes it a viable option not only for concealed carry, but also for plinking and target practice. Aguila Interceptor copper-plated solid point 40-grain. You might wonder why we're recommending another 40-grain .22 long rifle load. The key difference between this Aguila Interceptor copper-plated solid point and the CCI Velocitor lies in the bullet type. While the Velocitor uses a hollow point, the Aguila Interceptor features a solid point. While solid points don't expand, it's important to note that virtually no .22 long rifle hollow point bullets reliably expand when fired from a handgun. Therefore, for defensive handgun loads in that .22 long rifle, hollow points are often ineffective. This means the bullet type is less critical than reliable primers and sufficient weight and velocity. We've included Aguila's 40-grain Interceptor copper-plated solid point for two main reasons. Aguila has a strong reputation for reliability, and this load boasts the highest advertised velocity among 40-grain .22 long rifle offerings, claimed at a whopping 1470 feet per second, though the test barrel length is undisclosed. As with other manufacturers, real-world tests typically show slightly lower velocities. From a 4-inch barrel, the Aguila 40-grain Interceptor usually achieves around 1150 feet per second, generating approximately 117 foot-pounds of force. These are impressive ballistic figures, especially when compared to the lighter Winchester 37-grain Varmint H 1100 feet per second and 99 foot-pounds. At the time of this recording, a 50-round box of Aguila 40-grain Interceptor copper-plated solid point costs around $12.5. While slightly more expensive than the previous options, it represents the most powerful .22 long rifle load suitable for a concealed carry handgun. Hornady Critical Defense .22 Magnum 45-grain FTX. The first .22 Magnum ammo on our list is Hornady's Critical Defense load, featuring a 45-grain bullet with the company's patented flex tip expanding bullet technology. The FTX bullet has a polymer plug in its tip, designed for reliable expansion. Traditional hollow points can sometimes become clogged with heavy clothing and other materials, hindering expansion. Hornady's flex tip prevents this clogging, ensuring expansion upon impact. The 45-grain Critical Defense FTX was specifically developed as a snub-nose revolver load. According to Hornady's website, testing was done with a very short 7/8-inch barrel, resulting in an advertised velocity of 1,000 feet per second and 100 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. However, from a semi-automatic handgun with a 5-inch barrel, this load becomes significantly more potent, achieving around 1,200 feet per second and 144 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. While these numbers might not seem dramatically higher than the .22 long rifle loads, 144 foot-pounds is sufficient to cause the 45-grain FTX bullet to expand to approximately 0.40 inches, an impressive 81% increase in diameter from its original .22-inch size. This expansion leads to a wider permanent wound cavity, more blood loss, and faster incapacitation. Priced at a relatively low $14 spare box of 50, the Hornady Critical Defense 45-grain FTX is the best .22 Magnum ammo for the money. Speer Gold Dot .22 Magnum 40-grain hollow point. Speer's Gold Dot line of ammunition is widely regarded as some of the best defensive ammo available, with a proven track record of reliability and used by numerous law enforcement agencies. Without a doubt, the best .22 Magnum factory load and the most powerful rimfire cartridge on the market for concealed carry handguns is Speer's 40-grain Gold Dot hollow point. Similar to Hornady's .22 Magnum offering, Speer's 40-grain Gold Dots were primarily designed for use in snub-nose revolvers with a 2-inch barrel. Speer advertises a velocity of 1050 feet per second from such a barrel, equating to a muzzle energy of 98 foot-pounds. While this might not sound impressive, from a 5-inch barrel, these 40-grain Gold Dot .22 Magnums can reach speeds of up to 1,300 feet per second and generate muzzle energies exceeding 150 foot-pounds. With these figures, the Speer Gold Dot 40-grain .22 Magnum is guaranteed to mushroom upon impact, expanding to almost double its original diameter from 22 inches to 42 inches, a remarkable 90% expansion, unheard of for .22 rimfire cartridges fired from a handgun. A box of 40-grain Gold Dot .22 Magnum bullets has an MSRP of $22.99 in Speer's website, which translates to a price of 46 cents per round. While these rounds are relatively expensive, you truly get what you pay for. If you own a handgun chambered in .22 Magnum and are seeking defensive ammunition, no other brand comes close to the reliability and terminal performance of Speer Gold Dot. While the 9mm remains a reliable and versatile choice, it's clear that other calibers offer unique advantages depending on your priorities, be it stopping power, accuracy, recoil control, or versatility. The 5 alternatives we've covered each bring something different to the table, and choosing the right one ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're upgrading your carry weapon, heading to the range, or just expanding your knowledge, exploring these options can help you make a more informed and effective decision in the world of ammunition. And there you have it, the top 5 best rimfire loads for self-defense. Like, share, subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on new content.